Cooking pizza with the Ooni Volt 12 electric oven is a great way to achieve authentic results at home. Here's an easy to follow guide for a beginner cook. Preheat the Ooni Volt 12. Set your volt to 850 degrees Fahrenheit, 450 degrees Celsius, which is a sweet spot for cooking Neapolitan-style pizza. This oven can heat up to this temperature in about 15 minutes, so be sure to preheat it well. The oven will beep when it's ready. Prepare the pizza dough. Whilst the oven is heating up, shape your dough into a thin, round circle around 10 to 12 inches wide. You can use a mini roller or use your hands to stretch the dough rather than a rolling pin to keep the air bubbles, which will give you a light, airy crust. If you haven't tried using a mini roller, check out this video in the link above and below. If the dough keeps shrinking back, let it rest for a few minutes and try again. I find warmer dough is easier to stretch than cold dough. Add simple toppings. Spread a thin layer of tomato sauce, leaving about 1 inch of crust around the edge. Less is more. Neapolitan-style pizza is known for its light toppings. Tear up pieces of fresh or block mozzarella and scatter them evenly. You can also add your favourite toppings, but keep it light. The heat of the oven cooks everything fast, and too many toppings can make the pizza soggy and also too heavy. Launch your pizza into the oven. Use a pizza peel sprinkled with flour or semolina to easily slide the pizza onto the hot stone. This prevents sticking and makes the launch smoother. Cook the pizza for 60 to 90 seconds. Since the Volt is very hot, the pizza will cook very fast. After about 30 to 45 seconds, use the peel to rotate the pizza halfway to ensure it cooks evenly. The rear of this oven is usually hotter than the front, so turning the pizza prevents one side from burning. Watch for the cooked signs. You'll know the pizza is ready when the crust is puffed up and has small charred spots. This is called leopard spotting, and the cheese is melted and bubbling. If the pizza looks done but the base isn't as cooked as you'd like, you can use the Volt's balance dial to cook it faster. The balance dial is on the right hand. The booster option on the balance dial adds fast extra heat to the stone. Just turn the balance dial anti-clockwise all the way around and it lasts for 45 seconds. You can use the balance dial to shift the temperature from the top of the oven to the bottom or vice versa. Using these settings gives you more control of the oven's heat levels. And the great thing is you can do this while looking through the glass door as you monitor the pizza cooking. And finally, remove and finish the pizza. Use your peel to remove the pizza from the oven and let it sit for a minute. Drizzle with more olive oil if you wish. Add fresh basil leaves for garnish and you're ready to enjoy. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!